Right now, your bank account has a silent leak that's draining your wealth every single month without you even noticing. Most people are losing down every dollar's expense and executing a systematic purge to reclaim your capital. Stop letting forgotten App Store permissions and old email receipts dictate your financial future. We are performing a deep dive subscription audit, cross-referencing every digital statement to isolate the invisible charges. Last month, I realized I was throwing away $200 on zombie subscriptions I didn't even remember buying. Follow me as I audit my statements today, July 19, 2026, to stop these invisible your cash today. It's time to stop the passive drainage and redirect that wasted money into intentional, high-impact growth for your personal portfolio. Now that you know where hidden subscriptions come from, it's time to find them. You might be surprised by how many you're paying for. The good news is that finding them is easier than you think. Let's go step by step.
Step 1. Check your bank statements. Open your bank account and look at the last 3 months of transactions. Look for payments that repeat every month. Write down every recurring payment you find.
Step 2. Review your credit card statements. Many subscriptions are charged to credit cards instead of bank accounts. Go through your ignore small charges and look for the smallest subscriptions are the easiest to forget. Step 3. Check your phone subscriptions. On Android, open Google Play. On iPhone, open the App Store. You might find apps you're paying for but haven't used it. Step 4. Review online payment accounts. If you use services like PayPal, check your automatic payments. Many subscriptions continue renewing because they're linked to these accounts to review every recurring payments. Step 5. Search your email. Your inbox can reveal subscriptions you've forgotten. Search for words like, you'll quickly find confirmation emails from services you've signed up for over the years. Step 6. Make one master list. Now write down every subscription you found. Include the service name, the monthly cost, the yearly cost, the date it renews. Seeing everything in one place makes it much easier to understand where your money is going. Many people think they only have 3 or 4 subscriptions. After why this simple audit is so powerful, you can't control what you don't measure. Once you know exactly where your money is going, you can decide which subscriptions are truly worth keeping. Remember, every dollar saved from an unused 10 minutes today to complete this subscription audit. By now, you've made a list of all your subscriptions. Now comes the important question. Which ones are actually worth your money? Just because you've been paying for a subscription doesn't mean you should keep it. Let's use a simple test. Be honest with yourself. If you haven't opened the app, watched the service, or used the membership month, ask yourself why you're still paying for it. If you're not using it, it's probably time to let it go. Imagine you didn't already have this subscription. Would you pay for it today at its current price? If the answer is no, that's a strong sign it's no longer worth keeping. Don't keep paying just because you've always had it. Some subscriptions provide real value. For example, cloud storage or software you use every day for work. But if a subscription doesn't save you time or money, think carefully before renewing. Many paid services have excellent free versions. You may not need the premium plan anymore. Before renewing, spend a few minutes looking for a free or lower cost option. You could get the same benefit while spending much less. Many people think, it's only $10 a month, it doesn't matter. But that's exactly how hidden expenses grow. Let's look at an example. Imagine you have these monthly subscriptions. Even if you cancel just one unused subscription, you've already started saving money. Remember this, financial success isn't only a party card. Though over the years this may seem arvani to learn. If this video helped you find hidden money in your budget, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend or family member. You might help them discover hundreds of dollars they're losing every year. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.